This here is Trader Joe's grade A maple syrup. When I'm cooking for younger children, they like to eat something that's familiar to them. And I know that when I'm buying this syrup, it's familiar to them, but it is better quality than what they're used to eating. What makes it better quality is the ingredients. Typical maple syrups you might find have a lot of corn syrup in them, and this is just pure maple syrup, which is what you're looking for. As a private chef, I like cooking with a specific product because it really is reliable. I know when I'm putting it in a recipe or using it in a sauce, it's gonna always come out the same flavor, the same color, exactly how I imagined it. I can use it in savory dishes, in sweet dishes. It's super versatile, and it's actually something I always carry with me. Would recommend it for, honestly, anyone in the kitchen, especially those that are trying to reach into the vegan realm. Maple syrup is a really awesome sweetener to use when you're sweetening up something, substituting for honey, or when you don't want to use sugar and you want to use something a little more natural. This is the stuff.
Are you looking for more product advice and wisdom from me?
Or me?
Or me?
Hit that subscribe button or head over to thedesirecompany.com for more classes, how-tos, and reviews.